Hello everyone, this is Carolyn. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so down below. Today I'm going to be doing a room decor haul. To start off, I'm currently redoing my room, and the color scheme that I chose was more of like rose gold, pinks, whites, and marble. A lot of trending colors, but I've always liked pink and rose gold, and now I'm like obsessed with it. So pretty much that's what I'm doing with my room. So let's just start with the biggest piece that I have. This huge frame. I don't know if you can see it. Super big. And pretty much this frame, I went drifting. Yes, I went drifting. And this was $17.99. It has a sticker in the back that it says that it's from IKEA, so it's such a great buy because I know a frame this big and IKEA would cost a lot of money. I got two decorative pillows, but they're just so cute and they're the perfect pink. Let me talk about the pillows. So I thought they were gonna be like $30 each, and they were on clearance on Bed Bath & Beyond, and they end up being like $13. It was like 12 something plus tax. It was like $13, which I was like, take my money. So it was a steal. It was like perfect. Could have gotten it a little cheaper. My phone died and I had a 20% coupon, and I could have used it, but it's okay. It was still really cheap. So that's a tip right there. If you don't need it like right away, then you could just wait for it to go on clearance, or like a lot of the dorm room decors, they're on sale now because it's like not the go back to school season anymore. So yeah. I also got this stool from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it has the pink and the wooden legs, and I feel like it would go really well in my room. Moving on, I think I'm talking too much. I got this LED light box, and I've been wanting this for so long. I really like it, so I just bought it. I also got this pendant light from TJ Maxx. Again, it's just a beautiful pendant light that I'm still figuring out where I'm going to put it, but it's definitely going to go somewhere in the room. I went to IKEA and kind of went crazy. Not really, but I got a few things from IKEA, like this plant holder thing, and this plant, it just goes inside. I'm going to spray paint this rose gold. I also got another one that is this one. It's pink, as you can see, and I'm just gonna put it inside like this. I also got this fluffy rug. This was like $10, so a steal too. I got another one because you can never have too many of these rugs, you know. I also got this from IKEA. It's like a paper rack. It's double, so you can just put papers on top and on the bottom. And I'm planning to also spray paint this some other color, but most likely I'm going to be using rose gold. I also got this little cubes. I know it's something random, but yeah, I just got them for organizational purposes. They're just two little cubes from the dollar store. You can never go wrong with white cubes like this one. That was all for today. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Like this video if you would like me to do future videos like this one, and see you on the next one. Bye.